to add PayPal as a payment method on your Wix store. There are two ways you can add PayPal. Option 1, connect your Wix store to PayPal. Option 2, add a PayPal Buy Now button to your Wix creation. So let's start with option 1, connecting your Wix store to PayPal. Step 1, inside the Wix editor, select Add Online Store. Then step 2, select Shopping Cart. Next is step 3, double-click on the cart icon that has been added to your template and select Manage Store. Step 4, from the Store Manager on the top menu, click Store Settings. Step 5, under Payment, under Method, select PayPal from the drop-down menu. Step 6, in the payment window, set the following: account email, enter the email address you use to log into your PayPal account. Currency, select your currency from the drop-down menu. Weight, select a unit of measurement from the drop-down menu. Then, click Done. Your Wix store is now connected to your PayPal account. Let's do now the option 2, adding a PayPal button to your Wix creation. An easy way to add a payment method to your Wix creation is to add PayPal Buy Now buttons. So step 1, inside the Wix editor, select Add Buttons and Menus. Step 2, select PayPal from the menu. Step 3, enter your product details and PayPal email, then click OK. Position the button on your template, click Save, and your PayPal button will be linked to your account. And that's basically how to add PayPal as a payment method on your Wix store. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.